Welcome to Canute Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we present the ABS 325S NC semi-automatic bandsaw. The machines of the ABS SNC series are fully automatic, parallel-guided horizontal bandsaws for straight and miter cuts, which are ideal for series processing of solid material tubes and profiles. The series includes a total of 4 models with a cutting capacity from 325mm to a maximum of 540mm round material. On all models in the series, the saw frame can be swiveled with the entire guide frame by up to 60 degrees. The exact position is easy to read and is fixed using a hydraulic clamp. The highlight of the S-Series is the automatic material feed via servo motor and recirculating ball gear. With a positioning and repeat accuracy of 1/10 of a millimeter, the cuts are significantly more precise than with conventional solutions. The combination of linear and block guides increases the stability of the entire workpiece feed system. The fully automatic operation of the machine is facilitated by the proven NC control from the manufacturer Omron. The operator may enter his cutting orders quickly and intuitively via the large touchscreen. A total of up to 30 cutting programs may be stored, each with up to 50 cutting positions. The material is clamped tightly by a hydraulic-driven vise with adjustable clamping pressure for thin-walled profiles. The downfeed pressure of the saw frame is metered via the finely adjustable throttle valve on the control panel. An optical switch reduces unnecessary idle times by switching automatically from rapid feed to work feed. Stable saw blade guides ensure high vertical angular accuracy with high feed. The infinitely variable speed motor transmits its power to the drive wheel via a deflection gear that is resistant to continuous operation. With a selection of options tailored to the series, the machines can be adapted to the exact need of the user. This model is equipped with additional roller conveyors, a microspray cooling system, hydraulic saw blade clamping, and an integrated chip conveyor, and is therefore optimally configured for long workpieces such as pipes and beams and many cuts. Here at Canute, we offer a variety of high-performance sawing machines for almost every need. Contact your nearest Canute representative today to find out the best solution for your business.